As much as I speak about Hollywood waxing or Brazilian waxing, a lot of the wax videos that I do is to help people to understand what they're going through when they go to a salon, what they're asking for, what to expect, but also for those that are confident waxers at home to know what might help them be able to do their own waxing at home. But I will always stress this to all of my followers or anyone that sees my videos, that you need to make sure that you wax with caution if you're not a professional. This area is a very delicate, sensitive area, and any steps that I've spoken about is just to understand the process. If you choose to follow any of these steps, then please obviously just be very, very careful. Here is going to be a lot more tender and a lot more sensitive. The skin is a lot looser here and a lot thinner. You want to make sure that you keep this really taut when you go to do step 3 and 4. Whether that means that, you break down step 3 and 4 into a couple of more steps just to make it a little bit more bearable and easier for you to pull that area of hair off. So sitting on your bum sometimes helps if you can sort of pull your skin tight there and then stretch with your hand up here just to make sure it's extra taut. Having that skin nice and tight will help with how it feels, but also it will help with the results as well. You do not want to get any skin lift in there because that will be very tender. So just making sure that you stretch that skin really well. Also, when you go to pull off any steps, including the first couple of steps on the edge, you don't always need to do it in one big pull. Some areas will need smaller pulls. So just think short, parallel little pulls, and then support the skin after by placing your hand after to take that little bit of sting out. Some of these tips may help you, but just make sure you only go as far as you feel confident.